bow, so we're gonna try to make it happen. Lord willing, and the creek don't rise, and I can shoot straight.
It'll be alright.
That backsail's pretty good.
Yeah, that one in the middle, Donnie.
Yeah, it's got better, it's got some good hair on it. Let's see if we need to.
Yeah, he's good. That's a boar.
Yeah, that's a boar. He got nuts on it.
Alright. There it is.
Here he comes, fellas. Uh-oh. Boy. He just come this way, fellas. I'm telling you. He's coming. I told you. Oh, that dog just got hit.
Donnie,
Where's the
stop
shooter,
running.
man? Where's the shooter?
Stop running.
He said it's coming. Oh, snap.
Hey, Donnie, he's over here. He's over here. Yeah. Right here. Get ready. I'll make sure that back dog goes. Yeah. Back up, Queenie! Back up! Sluggo! 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 I hate that dog turn his head off.
Yeah, that'll be horrible.
Sluggo!
Right there, he's
Back
gone.
up, Queenie!
Oh, the dog. You ready? Nope.
Sluggo! Back up! Take it. Oh, here he goes.
We'll get you another arrow, boy. Sticking.
Was that good?
It's about this high above the stomach. I don't know what's right there.
I think it might be just a
I see blood.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna get on that. You see it
I
blood?
see the arrow right there.
Yeah. That leg get forward. I got it.
It's supposed to get forward, so get ready. Back up, Queenie! She's going to the right. Yeah, she's good. Come on! Back up!
I got it.
Yeah, the other dog's clear. Come on! Here comes the other man. Whenever you can. Just... Uh-oh. Kick him into high gear then, boys. Oh, here he come back in.
That arrow's a clean pass through. I see your arrow.
He's relentless, dog.
Look at him fighting a dog. That's what them dogs for. If you just use your own judgment on dogs clearing.
You're good, Donnie.
Back up! Back, hold up. Back up! Back up, Queenie! Queenie!
Hold on just a second. The dog's in the way.
Yeah, I'm curious if it goes quick. Better watch it, buddy.
He's getting weak. He's going down. Uh-oh. Thought he was.
He's getting weak. They're gonna come right through here.
There he goes.
That'd be the best. We can get one in him.
You step up there. Hey, you can step right there. Pull them dogs.
Back up, Queenie! Queenie! Yeah, back up, Queenie! That arrow go through.
I can't see it.
Watch that arrow, Queenie.
Yeah, please don't get cut on my arm.
Queenie, back up!
What's the camo?
Back up, guys! Come back!
Hold on. Oh, what you got? Go.
Queenie! Come on, hold up!
Hold up.
Come on!
Go.
All I got left is shot arrows.
He's down now.
be hurt. That nerve just to tie back blood pouring too. Wait, watch that arrow. Watch that arrow, girl.
Bend down. Yeah, too.
I'm gonna make a loud noise right here. Get them dogs back up. Back up, Queenie.
There it is.
We good on the dog?
Yep.
Oh.
That's low.
Yeah, it's too low.
That Liam caught it.
God, it's the blood, man. It's in the ground.
I shot it a little far back on that, and I hit a limb right there.
Just hold up. We good. Just hold up. Here.
I don't got one there left.
I screwed the broadhead off this one that's laying over here somewhere. Man, I can't believe it.
He's back on his feet again.
I can't believe it.
I'm knocked and loaded when you're ready.
Teeth are like that, boy.
Huh?
They got some teeth.
I can get it behind the shoulder, man.
Right here. Shot though on his side. See if you can get over here and get right on his shoulder. Behind it. He got it took, man.
Still going with it. Oh, yeah. We good?
Yeah. Yeah, right behind it.
Good on the dog?
Yeah.
No,
Oh, no.
she's right behind.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh! Man.
5 airs. Did I even hit that?
Yeah, I heard it smack.
There you go, dog.
She's guarding them. She likes to be the only one around when one's dead.
Go back over on that rock. You need to.
I got it right here. Bite it, Danny. Put another
Yeah. Aim just a tad higher since you're shooting down right there. Wait it! There you go.
There it is.
That's it, man. That's it. Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Hear that, boy?
That's the sound we like to hear right there.
Thanks, Danny.
Man,
I appreciate it.
People underestimate them, man.
That lung coming out of that hole. Yes, sir.
Them other ones, oh, look at them other shots. That's about that other one. You see that one right there? That's death kill right there at one. Right down below it, and you just shot.
Yeah.
So put him down. Wayne.
Say that's my hog.
All right, boy.
All right. Drive, baby.
You'll like the footage we got too.
The hog is laying on the broadhead, probably. For an inch and an eighth, that's a pretty good cut for us.
Yeah, it is.
Yes, sir, baby.
Oh,
Look at that broadhead bent back.
oh my gosh.
Oh, Lord. Lord have mercy.
Golly. Look at them. Donnie, how you like your hunt this morning?
Wow, man, I loved it, man. Here's a kicker, man. 6 hours later, we got a pig now.
A lot of people underestimate these hogs, but they tough.
Yeah, they sure do, man.
Dogs found a good one this morning. A couple of them we decided to pull off and get on another one. And got a good boar bait up. Dogs fought him pretty good. He fought the dogs too. And
Yep.
Donnie put some good shots on them, but people just don't understand, man. They tough hogs.
Yep. 6 hours. You know, it's tough. You thought that first arrow would have killed it, but now 5 more after that, man. Yes, sir. First pig with a bow.
How y'all doing? Yeah, my name's Colt Ford. I got my boy Brantley Gilbert in here with me. We just some country boys from Georgia. We're gonna do a little something about the dirt roads that we come from. I'm gonna rap a little bit. You feel like singing?
Yeah, bro.
Let's go.
Yeah, I'm chilling on the back road, laid back rolling, do some George Jones. Smoke blowing out the window, and I still be sitting in the console. Memory lane up in the headlights, it's got me reminiscing on the good times. Sitting turning off a real life driving, that's right. Hitting easy street on mud tires, that's right.
Back in the day, pot farmers place to go. Load the truck up, hit the dirt road, jump the barbed wire, spread the word, light the bonfire, then call the girl. King in the can and the Marlboro man, Jack and Jim were a few good men when we learned how to kiss and cuss and fight too. Better watch out for the boys in blue. And all this small town, he said, she said, ain't it funny how rumors spread? Like I know something y'all don't know. Man, this shit is getting old. Man, mind your business, watch your mouth before I have to knock your loud ass out. I'm tired of talking, y'all ain't listening. Them old dirt roads is what y'all missing.
I'm chilling on the back road, lay back rolling, do some George Jones. Smoke blowing out the window, and I still be sitting in the console. Memory lane up in the headlights, it's got me reminiscing on the good times. Sitting turning off a real life driving, that's right. Hitting easy street on mud tires, that's right.
I sit back and think about them good old days, the way we were raised in our southern ways. We like cornbread and biscuits, and if it's broke round here, we fix it. See, I can take y'all where you need to go, down to my hood, back in them woods. We do it different around here, that's right, but we sure do it good, and we do it all night. So if you really want to know how it feels to get off the road with trucks and 4 wheels, jump on in, tell your friends that we'll be raising hell with a black top beam.
Chilling on the back road, lay back rolling, do some George Jones. Smoke blowing out the window, and I still be sitting in the console. Memory lane up in the headlights, it's got me reminiscing on the good times. Sitting turning off a real life driving, that's right. Hitting easy street on mud tires. Yeah, I'm chilling on the back road, lay back robbing, do some George Jones. Smoke blowing out the window, and I still be sitting in the console. Memory lane up in the headlights, it's got me reminiscing on the good time. Sitting turning off a real life drive.